before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel, and also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff, and any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, Great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, everybody's talking about Vybz Bomba Clock Cartel. What happened to Shawn Storm? What happened to Shawn Storm? Yo, Shawn Storm has totally been rubbed out by narcissistic Vybz Cartel and the Gaza funding. And really and truly, that's what I want to explore and talk about in this video. Because all I hear is Vybz Cartel. And everybody has become a lawyer, a judge, a jury, a prosecutor, since we have the internet and all this information has been shared. So now everybody is a brilliant scholar who can speak on charges and litigation as it affects Vybz Cartel constitutional rights. Yeah, right. Now, where is Shawn Storm family? Where is Shawn Storm family? I heard Shawn Storm have one daughter, and he was brought up by his grandmother. Doesn't he have any family? Doesn't he have anybody out there who could speak for this young man? I think him get a unfair bumbleclad deal. And I was talking to Nanny last night, and she's like, yo, countryman, you know, see Shawn Storm a rat no in a jail. I heard that in prison over there in GP, Shawn Storm just sit down and him nah bumbleclad say nothing. And me hear say Vybz Cartel is as happy as a mad hatter to Ross Clark. Shawn Storm, we need to talk to you about your case and how to get the fuck up out of jail. Narcissistic Vybz Cartel nah do nothing for you. You understand? Now, I want to know a little bit more about this youth of Shawn Storm. So anybody have some information, let me know. Like me say, I'm granny and grow with me here, and Cartel not even really bust the youth. And me I tell you now why the youth kinda get caught up, and it's so fucking sad, dog. Cause everybody has say cartel, but me I show you how Cartel and the Gaza fund them are some blood clot mad people, them dog. It just doesn't make sense. And like me say, me need to talk more about Shawn Storm so that you can come out of blood clot jail straight up. Now, let's talk about the case and the substance pertaining to Shawn Storm. Now, remember, Shawn Storm was locking the gun them. You understand? And Vybz Cartel asked back for the gun them. When him asked for the gun, Shawn Storm will check Lizard, cause Lizard did come and grab the thing them, cause the whole of them are work together. Remember, Lizard was a shotter for cartel, and him a do things for cartel. So if him come take the machine them, that would be no problem because it's something him always do. Now, when cartel asks for the gun them, Shawn Storm contact Lizard and say, yo, where the machine? Lizard tell him, listen, some man who did that hang round you know, from Waltham, like the man them lift up the thing, you know, and go on with the thing them. Shawn Storm still never get back to cartel until cartel threaten him. When cartel threaten him, then him tell cartel, say listen, at least I did have the thing them, you know, and him say some, as quote unquote, you know, town man. That's another thing I want to talk about. You see the man them in a St. Catherine outside of Kingston. Me I tell all of the youth them at Kingston, majority of them man they look on uno as thief, murderer. Even though the man them over St. Catherine do the same thing, you know. Them look on the man them a town in some crazy way. A town me come from, you know. And when me hear all Vybz Kartel describe the man them a town and Waltham, you must know say there's some prejudice and negativity towards the man them a Kingston. Now me I go back in the thing. When Lizard tell Shawn Storm what happened, Shawn Storm never tell Vybz Kartel, him wait till like 2 days. When him get threatened now, him let cartel know. Now this is where me think cartel fuck. Now remember, Lizard apart with them, cartel and Shawn and Problem Child and the whole of them. You know, so by what we know now, so cartel and link, clansman, whatever. Now, remember, you know, the man them a Waltham thief the gun, you know. Let me repeat it again. The man them a Waltham thief the gun, quote unquote town man them, condemn, cartel say. Now, to address this, wouldn't it be better if cartel and Lizard, Shawn Storm, Problem Child, the clansman them, go look for the man them a Waltham with thief the gun? Because me and you apart, and me give you a machine, and me know say you are them set a man the thief in. Me not go kill you, you know. Me a go for the gun, cause we a bad man. So why didn't cartel and the man them look for the man them a Waltham? Or paid some of the man them, some of the dan them with them know over there and say, yo, them money I take with things I want and bring it back, you know. That would be the appropriate thing to do. But to show how Vybz Kartel about a Saddam Hussein complex and crazy way him do, him pressure Shawn Storm, pressure the blood clot man, you know, for trap Lizard and bring Lizard. And even though Lizard knew cartel them did after him because it came out in the court system, in the court case, that the text message he was sending his sister and I think his girlfriend and certain people, he knew something was going down. You understand? So Shawn Storm, he had no choice but to bring Lizard to cartel because Shawn Storm seems like he didn't have no bucketive. He lived with him grandmother. Him grandmother always used to tell him about Fred, him sing about it. And him just loyal. to this narcissistic person. You understand? It's fucking crazy. So yeah, he had no choice. So with that said, let's move into the next phase of this damn conversation. Now, me check out Shawn music page on YouTube, and he might release 1 and 2 tune, but Vybz Kartel nah give the man no strength, dog. You understand? Him nah give Shawn no strength. If you look on the man views, him nah do nothing with the man. All him a do, you know, is do film thing, and I big up him two blood clot ugly son them, yo. Where one of them years time a no son. You see what I'm saying? So while in their jail a big up film career, you know, he make Shawn career a flop out, you know. Cause he know say him have the money, he know say him have certain things. Why me and you now do certain things together, dog? I'm a day I saw the blood clot time with you, and I threw you. Why me get blood clot arrested because me I be blood clot liar. Shawn, you better wake up in my youth. Cause me look on your music page, and to be honest, me never know you was putting out music, cause I don't hear anything about your music. All I hear about is cartel, Addy, cartel, world boss. World boss, my bumper clocks. You see, all along, Shawn freed a Vybz Kartel. You understand? Listen to this as we move forward. Listen to this. Now, you all can Google it and do the research. It came out that after the man them kill Lizard, I want to listen to me now. After them say cartel, them allegedly not use that word kill Lizard. Did you know that the man team up with a woman who own a funeral parlor? And the word is that the woman them cremate Lizard, you know, burn him in the woman funeral parlor. And the weird thing about it, cause if me I think about the retrial where Paul allowing them as a retrial and thing like that, and this woman disappeared, the lady who owned the funeral parlor, that her name came up in the case. The lady just vanished in thin air. Do the research. So you see this Vybz Kartel case, ya dog, it is one big can of worm. Another thing I want to address is the Vybz Kartel fans them are with them one name. Now, the Gaza Nation. Now, my thing is, okay, if him go to court and him win him case on a constitutional violation because of whatever, you understand? So underneath the law, the constitution, yeah, him should be a free man if that's what is the law requires. Cool. Because like I say, I was surprised the judge them focus more on the corruption, and then, like people said, them send it back to Jamaica, Jamaica appeals court. So whatever, we don't know. But the thing what strike me about the Gaza Nation and Vybz Kartel fans is that this whole murder, you know, dog, is played out in John public, you know. Serpi released videos of the last moment with Lizard. There's all sort of voice note, there's all sort of things in this fucking case. And Vybz Kartel now, in his own mind, swear up and down that he didn't kill Lizard when all the damn evidence, the text messages, everything. That's like being a madman, you know. And the fans them, they're just as mad and complicated as the artist himself, because look at the overwhelming evidence that in terms of where the fuck is Lizard, and everything point to him, you know, the dog bite, the witness who came and testified, the Chinese youth, all sort of stuff, dog. You understand? We still haven't found Lizard body, and his case is a historic case, because I think this is the first time in Jamaica where a convicted somebody without a body. So his case was a precedent setting case like that. But what I'm saying, when you look and hear the voice notes and this and that, how can he say he didn't do it, and how can he be going to face a retrial? So the Gaza fans them, who are threatening Cargo for burn down him house, I know enough of them are threatening me, them are probably threatening Sir P. Yo, only if you look into the reality of the case, if him retry this case, you know, there's a possibility he might end up and get more time. So the fans them, the Gaza fans them, to me, them totally retarded, yo. Well, look while me a reason with a bridge, man. And me I say, Shawn Storm, Daddy and Kartel now do nothing seem like that. Cause in music channel, with the music them in put out, them only I get a lick. Kartel not help it. What make him not flip on Kartel? And you know what the man said to me? The man said to me, if Shawn Storm ever do something like that, the whole of him family them dead. You hear that? And that the man say no. If him ever do something like that, the whole of him family them dead. So you see, Kartel is a man now where have a lot of power. You understand? And I guess when we look back to it in retrospect, maybe that with Shawn Storm feel like he have to protect his family or certain things. Me don't know. But that the man said to me, and it is really a good point to bring up. But me, family or not, me don't give a fuck, you know. Pussy, you think me never in a trouble because of you, and if you just sit down and quat so, and you not give me no money, you not do what you feel. Yo, me not do it, you know. Me not do it. They would have to send me to a Cambrian farm. And if my sister, yo, you flex away, I break away from that, you know, and try to get myself out of blood clot jail. Me don't know about the next man, you know. Cause it is hard to be loyal to somebody who is very unloyal to you. You understand? It's crazy, not because you're a big musician and you have money, but you're very unloyal to me. No, I'm not gonna put up with that. So that's really my take. So Shawn Storm, you better get smart, cause you still have a chance for the case come back up. So you better make a deal with the devil. You have a dilemma. Is either you make one with Kartel, the devil there, or you make one with the system, another devil. So that's a dilemma. Two serious decision. Let me know what you think about this. Here, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.